ribbon cutting
You ready?
stuff.
Okay, I'm going to cut on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Congratulations.
Congratulations!
Thank you. Congratulations.
What's that nice hat?
Just right when it
Before the mayor leaves, I just want to make a couple more points. First of all, I want to thank him for coming out. One of the biggest benefits the San Diego Association, on top of education and risk management, brings to Coronado, we also have a large political action fund. We have one of the largest PACs in the state of California. We have the only PAC in the city of San Diego with the realtor organizations. We are an 11,000 member trade organization. We're the largest trade association in the county. And so with that, we bring all our political resources to bear when it comes time to support the folks that have been good to our trade. So also understand that through the Coronado Association, we're able to bring those resources to bear for their benefit when dealing with political issues here in town, and we look forward to very much working together with respect to our political relationships. So on that note, I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Jerry Lynn. And Jerry